Hey guys, today we're going to do something a little different. We are on the road playing Traveling Body Man. We are going to head up north and go help out a customer of ours. While we're there, we are going to check out actually one of the original builds that got us started. It's a 1966 Chevelle. We're going to do a little bit of a walk around on it and check it out, what it looks like about 10 years later. So let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, here it is. We just arrived a little bit ago, tinkering around in the barn with him a little bit, trying to help him get his window in, and decided to come out here and give this one a glance around. This is the first car we actually done for this guy. 66 Chevelle. It's a 136 car, but we super sport cloned it, so sorry if it's a little windy out here. This job was done about 8 or 9 years ago. You guys can see it's still quality, it's still holding up. Everything we've done is still just as beautiful as the day we got it done. This car is sharp, guys. We've got tons of trophies for this one. He shows it regularly. Still getting trophies to this day for it. It's a mean car, guys. Let's go in here and take a look at these trophies. And show you his latest project. This is the one we've been helping him out with. We sprayed this one last fall. Complete frame off. The pictures are on our Facebook page, BPB Restorations. We got the rubbers on the windshield today. And rubbers on the back window. We're going to let them sit and kind of flex out a little bit and see if they'll fit a little bit better, because they didn't really fit too good once we got them in the windows. But this here is his latest build, and we're hoping to have it done by spring. He's kind of wanting to do most of the work himself after I got it all sprayed and done. See, he's still got some windows to change out and some busted windows. He's still got a lot of work on it, but it's coming along. It's going for the gasser look. I think he nailed it. It's coming along, guys. Let's take a look at these trophies. This is all for the 66. I've got a few trophies at home for that car. He gave me the first few, but some of these are pretty good trophies. He's really proud of them. Top 30. There's a big one. Ducktail class winner. He was pretty proud of that one. Alright, guys, let's go back out to the Chevelle and we'll try to fire it up and do a little walk around. You guys can get a little bit better look of it. Alright, we're back out here. We got it fired up. Sounds healthy. It's a top-notch car, guys. He's possibly interested in selling it. If you're interested, make sure you give me a comment, like, subscribe. Hit me up on Facebook. Hey guys, thanks for following along on our road trip today. We just wanted to give you guys an idea of the quality of work and the type of work that we do on this channel and that we're going to do. If you guys would smash that subscribe button and the like button and hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button to turn on notifications. I'd like to keep bringing you guys some videos, and thanks for watching.